That shit is bad fucking ass. Like, I wish I could do that, but I can't. But that's something I want to portray to you guys is don't diminish your own gains and the own goals, achievements that you achieve and ruin them by comparing to someone else on Instagram. Social media is going to show everybody's highlight reels. He may be doing triceps 225 over his head, but maybe you haven't beat on squat. You know what I mean? It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, you have to take your wins as your wins and fucking celebrate them. Celebrate that shit. I ain't saying go run, fucking tell everybody in the world. That might be a little bit annoying, but just deep down know that, hey, I did that shit. That was the best for me because that's what you should be focused on. Not everybody else, not what everybody else does and goes and achieves. It's what you do with your own life. That's what